today's video, we're gonna be taking down these horrible faux locks. So while everybody's beefing about Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion's video, we're gonna be beefing with these dreadlocks because baby, this dandruff is not it. So go ahead, if you like natural hair videos, go ahead, click that like, subscribe button.
True, I should have noticed. I should have spoken up before we got tangled in an empty love. Take what you think you wanted. It doesn't do us good.
This is the first method of removing the faux locks. If you already have untangled ends or you have short hair, this would be the perfect method for you because you're simply just cutting it off at the root. At the end, and basically just unraveling.
It doesn't do us good to memorize details of another time. Never too hard.
Now from cutting the hair, I'm now untwisting my hair from the braiding hair. She twisted my hair. If you have braids, this would probably be easier, but yeah. So right now we're at the root and you're going to twist the opposite direction. Usually it's left because lefty loosey, righty tighty, but anyways, so you just untwist it to the left and get it loose where it can go down your hair shaft, and then you just pull gently, of course. Now I'm going to show you the method I use for most of my head. You're really just twisting at the root to just get it loose. And then you're going to find that weak spot where the hair isn't so tight. And then you just pull. And then you just get your pair of scissors. And then you just cut the braiding hair. Make sure to know the difference from your real hair and the braiding hair. And then boom, you just unravel it, and this way it is easier, especially if you have longer hair.
Silence. Nobody knows how much there is to spend fighting for a better end. Ooh, never too hard. Follow your heart. Never too hard. Follow your heart. We can both leave it all behind. Washed away with the morning light.
As of right now, I was kind of confused as why my hair was shiny and thin, because before doing this, I have blowed out my hair in probably a 3-day-old blow dry, and I haven't really washed my hair this month. Well, that month I got them done, so I was kind of confused.
We can both leave it all behind. Washed away with the morning light. Stop looking through the telescope. Find out what really matters most.
So it's been about 3 hours. I got about this done. I got about 50 more sections to get through. Not 50 more sections, 50 more braids to get through. And it's only been 3 hours and I only got this done. So anyways, let's get back into it.
True, I should have noticed. I should have spoken up before we got tangled in an empty love. Take what you think you wanted. It doesn't
ain't never had my hair this thin before. Hold on. Oh yeah, and I got one more braid to go. One more braid to go. Okay, but anyways, I ain't never had my hair this thin. My hair ain't never been this thin. Even when I got twists, my hair never been this never has been this thin. So I don't know if it's because there were too many braids in there, because she did not too many locks in there, because she actually twisted my natural hair with the weave hair, so it wasn't like braided. So I don't know if my hair wasn't strong enough, because it was like close to 70 braids in my head. Even I will even say 80. So probably 70, 60 braids in my head. But anyways, I don't know, it's looking very suspect, it's very thin, and touched my hair probably since quarantine started, about 3 months, and I have not touched my hair, so my hair has actually just been blown out probably every 2 weeks. Go ahead and follow me on TikTok if you want to see that TikTok. It'll probably be on the screen. But anyways, yeah, so when I was taking it down, it was very shiny, so I don't know if that was just like, I just came to my hair like 3 days old blow dry, so I don't know, my hair is, this is very strange. This is very strange. My hair, I don't know how it comes out. It got braided dry, but now it's shining. I don't know, but But I have one more to go. I've been doing this since 1:47. It's probably going on 9 o'clock, I think. So if you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna do a video about how I regenerate my natural hair and hydrate it low porosity. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and wait for that video this week. So go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, and you're gonna watch this video because it's entertaining. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I got one more ready to go, so I'm going to do that. All my social medias will probably be on the screen and then the link in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe again. Thank you for watching this video, and comment takedown in the video. So thank you. Comment takedown in the comments. So thank you for watching.